1 cup of English.
Real English for real life.
Honestly, I still can't believe what happened on my flight home. Someone was sitting in my airplane seat when I got to my row.
No way. You mean you checked your boarding pass and someone else was already in seat 14A? That must have been so awkward.
Exactly. I looked down at my ticket, then back at him. I thought maybe I made a mistake, but the seat number matched. I just smiled and said, "Excuse me, I think this is my seat."
What did he say? Did he move right away, or did it get weird?
It got a bit weird. He looked at me and said, "The plane isn't full. Do you mind just taking another seat?" I didn't expect that at all.
Wow, that's bold. I've never had someone refuse to move. What did you do next?
I tried to stay calm. I said, "I know there are empty seats, but I like to sit by the window. That's why I picked 14A. I really wanted to look outside during takeoff."
Honestly, I would have been nervous. Did you call the flight attendant or try to sort it out yourself first?
At first, I tried to handle it myself. I didn't want to start a big scene in the aisle with everyone watching. I just kept my voice friendly and said, "I'm sorry, but I really want my seat."
That's so polite. Sometimes people get angry right away on planes, but you stayed cool. Did he finally get up or still argue?
He sighed and rolled his eyes, but finally said, "Fine," and moved to the aisle seat. I was just relieved it didn't turn into a big argument.
I get it though. Window seats are the best, especially for long flights. You can lean on the wall and watch the clouds.
Exactly. Plus, I like having the tray table and the overhead bin close by. I always put my backpack up there as soon as I board.
Me too. And when you want to sleep, it's easier if you don't have people climbing over you. That's why I always try to check in early and pick my favorite seat.
Same here. I just wish everyone respected seat numbers. It makes travel smoother for everyone.
This actually makes me wonder, what's the best way to ask someone to move if they're in your seat? I always worry about sounding rude.
I think starting with a smile helps. You can say, "Hi, sorry, I think this is my seat," and show your boarding pass. Usually, people just move without any trouble.
That's true. And if they still won't move, I guess you can ask the flight attendant for help. They know how to deal with these things.
Definitely. The cabin crew is used to it. You just stay calm and let them sort it out if it gets tricky.
Travel always has a few surprises. I remember once my carry-on bag was too big for the overhead compartment, and I had to check it at the last minute.
Oh, I hate when that happens. There's always something: seat mix-ups, delayed flights, lost luggage. You just have to laugh and go with it sometimes.
True. But next time, if someone's sitting in my spot, I'll remember how you handled it. I'll try to be friendly, but also stand my ground.
That's the best way. Traveling's easier when you're patient and polite, even if things get a little awkward.
So, 3 things to remember. Always check your seat number. Be polite when there's a problem, and don't be afraid to ask for help if you need it.
And if you want a smooth flight, just speak up kindly and show your boarding pass if someone's in your place. Most people will understand.
Next time you fly, try choosing your seat when you book your ticket. It saves a lot of trouble.
Great tip. Thanks for chatting about this with me. It helps to laugh about those awkward moments. Safe travels on your next trip.